Achieving a fully integrated manufacturing environment is like buying a spectacular piece of clothing. It feels great, lasts a lifetime, and gives you a foundation to build upon. With SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud, you drive operational excellence by enforcing quality and optimizing resources. Maximize productivity. As the production supervisor, you must optimize your resources. With a clear picture of employee availability, you seamlessly align your labor to your production requirements. Visualizing your equipment availability, you align it to handle hot jobs and emergency change management. Easily schedule production and stay in sync with changing demand and delivery expectations, thereby increasing customer satisfaction. And your planner immediately releases the order to the shop floor to maximize productivity. Increase customer satisfaction. As an operator, a simplified order execution interface ensures high-quality products. All documentation is integrated and instantly available at your fingertips. Assembly instructions include 3D models and can be fully animated. As you gather quality inspection data and perform material confirmations, historical reports are created and risk is minimized. Non-conforming materials with captured images are easily reported and quickly routed for rework to deliver flawless products, increasing customer satisfaction. Drive operational excellence. Review manufacturing analytics using automated KPI insights to improve efficiency and throughput across all your plants. An extensive variety of details for individual plants and regions show you where to focus improvements. See specific metrics for defects, orders, and quality at each plant. And understand the root causes to immediately take action and drive operational excellence. Maximize productivity, increase customer satisfaction, and drive operational excellence. Dress for success with a fully integrated manufacturing environment powered by SAP.